In this video, we are going to learn how we can edit the record in the table of a MS Access. First, open the table in a datasheet view. This view can be taken by clicking on this view option. If you click this, you will find different types of views. By opening the table in datasheet view, you will get a table in this working area. After that, just double click on the table where you want to edit the record. After that, the table will be appear in this area. After that, you can just click on the particular cell in which you want to edit the data. Just edit the data over here and save it. So in this way, you can edit the record of the table. Now, how can you insert or delete the record in the table? Again, you have to open the table in datasheet view. When you open the table in datasheet view, you will get the table in this working area. After that, on the home tab, here on the home tab in the record group, you find these three options: new, save and delete. If you click on this new option, a new cell will be inserted, a new row will be inserted over here. In that you can fill the data like this. When you click on this new, a blank row will be inserted in the table. Here you can fill the record in the table. Now if you want to delete the record, again open the table in design view, in datasheet view. Select the table from the navigation area. Suppose this is a table which is showing in the working area. If you want to delete this particular record, then select the record by clicking over here. After that, from this record group, delete this, click on this delete option. After clicking on this delete option, there will be the option of deleting record. After clicking this, the record will be deleted. If you want to edit some field, if you want to add some field means column. If you want to add some column, then how this can be done? Open the table in datasheet view and right click and select the option insert field like this. Suppose we want to insert a new column after the student name, then here just click on just right click and select the option new field. By clicking this new field, a new record will be inserted, a new column will be inserted over here. In the same way, if you want to delete the column, then in the delete option, you have to first you need to select the column. After that, in the delete option, in the file tab, in the record group, there is option delete. Click on this delete column option. In this way, the column will be deleted from the table. Now, editing structure of the table means if you want to change the data type, or you want to insert a new column, or you want to delete a column, then this can be done. First you need to open the table in design view. Design view. You can select the view by this option which is present on the home tab. Here you will find datasheet view, pivot chart, design view. From here you select the option design view. Then your table will be opened in the design view. Here you can add name of the new column and the data types. In the same way, if you want to delete a column from here, then you can delete the column from this particular design view. Deleting the data from the field. Again, open the table in design view. Suppose you want to delete a row, this particular row, then select this row, and from the design tab there is an option delete. Here you will find three options: insert row, delete row. So by insert row, a new row will be inserted where you can enter the name of the column and the data type, and from the delete row option, the selected row will be deleted. In this way, you can insert or delete a row in the table while working in the design view.